Solitaire Cash does not appear to offer a direct Chime withdrawal option. Its available payout route can depend on the payment method supported in your account, so the easiest way to get Solitaire winnings into Chime may involve an intermediate payment service. For 2026, that distinction matters. A Solitaire app can pay real money without supporting Chime directly, so you need to check the cash-out method before you deposit or spend time completing game requirements. Number 5 is eSolitaire Cashin. It is a real money solitaire competition app, and its winnings can be withdrawn through supported payment methods. If Chime is your target account, check the current withdrawal screen first, rather than assuming your Chime details can be entered directly. Number 4 is eSolitaire Clashin. It uses competitive solitaire matches where players can compete for cash prizes in eligible locations. The important step is checking which withdrawal methods are currently available to your account, and whether your location supports cash competitions. Number 3 is eSolitaire Smashing. This is another competitive solitaire option that has been promoted through reward platforms. If you are using it specifically to reach Chime, verify the payout method before completing an offer, because a reward platform and the game itself can use different withdrawal systems. Number 2 is eSolitaire Stashin. It is a solitaire game that also appears in current mobile reward offers. In this case, separate the game's own payout system from third-party rewards. If you earn through an offer platform, the platform may determine whether your reward goes to PayPal, another wallet, or a different payment method. Number 1 is the solitaire app that supports the payment route you already use with Chime. This is more important than the app's advertised earning potential. If the game pays to PayPal, for example, you can check whether your PayPal account can transfer funds to your Chime account before you start. There are 3 things to check before playing. First, open the withdrawal page and look for the exact payment methods available. Second, check the minimum cash out and any fees. A low withdrawal minimum can make an app more practical for small balances. Third, check verification requirements. Cash games and reward platforms may require identity or account verification before releasing funds. Also watch for misleading claims about instant Chime payouts. A game may pay quickly through PayPal, while the transfer from PayPal to Chime follows a separate processing schedule. The key takeaway is simple. Solitaire Cash, Solitaire Clash, Solitaire Smash, and Solitaire Stash are worth comparing, but none should be assumed to support direct Chime withdrawals without checking the current cashier. Your next step is to check the app's withdrawal options first, then confirm how that payment method can reach your Chime account. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 Solitaire app guides.